Today we're going to unbox and get a close-up look at the Hutbit Digital Smart Scale and app. Before we unbox it, if you guys want to know what the current pricing is, I will include links in the description below. Let's go ahead and open up the scale, which is packaged nicely in this very modern looking box. The Hutbit scale offers a very glossy finish top on it, but it is a very contemporary looking design. Before getting started, the Hutbit scale does require 4 AAA batteries, which can be inserted into the little battery door. Each corner on the bottom of the scale is these black grippy pads, so the scale does not slide around while you're standing on it. Also on the bottom of the scale is some regulatory information, as well as the QR barcode where you can scan to download the FeelFit app on your Apple or Android device. Although this scale can be used for basic information like weight, there is really no point on buying a smart scale unless you're going to use the app functionality. Let's get a closer look at it. The FeelFit app is 100% free to download, so once you've completed downloading it, open it on up and have a look. You will be required to create an account to sign in. I've already done all that. The information the app allows you to collect, such as BMI, body fat, and fat-free body weight, is seemingly endless. It also allows you to sync the application with the health app, as well as your Fitbit. Tracking your information from week, month, and year is very easy to read, as it does offer a graph layout. The app settings section is very straightforward and easy to navigate. You can change things such as theme, set goals, change your weight, or change your connected devices. I'm personally trying to get into better shape myself, and there's nothing I could use better than the Hutbit scale and application to track my progress. And that's going to wrap up this product overview of the Hutbit Smart Scale. Just a reminder, there is a link in the description box below if you're interested in getting your own.